personality as a car.
What's wrong with her?
I like the looks her. She looks scary.
But then I mean, I'm kind of lonely, you know. That's my complaint talk to you sometimes to do a year or two.
Hi, girl.
Yeah.
Girl, name me, I call him.
No.
I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna find one man, girl.
Yeah, jeez, please don't tell me I want broke money go pan go pick up.
No, a contractor.
Oh.
You have to look at the money, girl. I want to look at her. So she's not really bad. She's nice and cute, so. Yeah.
I'm with the phone, me now here.
How are you there, sir?
Yeah, hold on there a minute. What you ask me on me?
Yeah, in a spot, I have some hustle. You try excuse. Come, you come.
So, Mama, really
Go
like to
inside.
say you hustle?
Then, you know, so I'm look where things say me, I go look work. You know, see this?
Mama, let me tell you something. You better look work.
How?
You're too young for around your body. You have to look work. You have to come there because right now, the mercy of God, they come.
The mercy of God against you. Listen to
Just
me.
what go on in the sky over America.
Why go on in the sky for America? But the America, me
This is
there,
what Elon
Jamaica.
must do.
Me busy what he want to do.
And me, my daughter, anytime, man. But it's the next time I see the sun hot, wait till the sun cool in the air.
Yeah.
Because I don't want black house. I don't drink more, I don't wait for what's up with them, I light up my weed.
Me now all that's in a car fast, so we not to worry. Yeah, the fire one with that.
You look a nice, cute baby.
Excuse me. Me no want baby.
So yeah, what then?
Baby is different. Baby is when I wear pampers and child when I wear clothes.
Oh, look, man, you see.
It yucky and
That guy
thing.
not up with me this nah shatter man. The duff cat not the rightest so. Check out the people yard you out that call.
If me
Come out.
get
Look, come out.
You must free up your
Mind my eye. Mind my eye. Take him out here cause you do too much. Man, you not see?
I'm thinking you're sharing right now.
So she a big man, she force right person?
Where you come from?
Daddy, I try to shut up. Can I know what you say?
What? You cheater.
But she bright. Are you shut up to her? What this? But tell her say Penny a big woman. Watch him.
Try to shut up.
How we a talk?
The devil confess.
Man, I do whole heap of something. I just little bit of man me. Me say me can't go obi a man. Man, I do whole heap of something.
Me backside. Wait.
How are you?
I'm tired, man.
Which man?
I'm tired, man.
Which man that?